Ladles and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, this. Yes, this is the battery on my Mrs. car and it's broken. So we're going to put a new one on. So let's get on with it. Yeah, so basically what happened, the car's been starting fine, absolutely nothing wrong with it. Went over to Aldi's earlier on and do the shopping, came out, went to start the car, nothing. Flat as a pancake. And so we waited for a significant amount of time for the garage to turn up, and the guy put a jump pack on it and it started instantly. So yeah, I went and bought a new battery on the way home. So we'll get this one out and then I'll show you the new one. Right, let's hope that it is indeed 10mm. I suspected as much. Do you know what? I'm wondering if this battery is actually going to fit. Oh, it might do. We might be alright. Right. Actually, should really take the positive off first. So, oh, let's use the right end of the spanner, might help. Right, let's get that out of the way, get that off of there. Now, I'll use a ratchet for the rest of it because, frankly, I do not want to be rummaging around down there. I'm not quite sure why these bolts are as long as they are. They're about 14 foot long. But still, never mind. Stay away from there, you. Right, that's one. Oh. That I do not believe. You hear that noise? That was a twin boom aircraft just flew over, and I haven't got my glasses on so I couldn't see it, but it didn't half look like a vampire. Wow, I'm gonna have to check when I go back in and see if there's actually any vampires flying still. But still, right, I'm gonna have to do this one with the spanner because conveniently the bolt is 8 miles long and oh, except I can't get my hand in there because of course I can't. Right, here we go. Talk amongst yourselves for a minute. This is probably going to take a while. Oh, now there's a helicopter flying over, because of course there is. I don't know if that will unhook or not, but I'm worried if I unhook it I won't be able to get it back on again. Oh, there we go. Right, that did unhook. Right, so let's just pop that down there for a minute and see if we can get this out. Fortunately, it has the go handle on it. Oh, get off. Oh, that's heavy. So, here's our replacement battery. This is, those of you who watch Vice Grip Garage will know exactly why I bought this battery. It's a very, very special type of battery. No, it's not. It's the cheapest one they had, and it's got the go handle. Right, let's see if we can get this back in place. Now, one thing I'm not sure about is whether that will fit on there. Okay, because what it's got, it's actually quite clever. If you look in there, this is the plastic cap off the, you see that bit of metal in there? So if it's got a full-size terminal, you leave that on there. If not, you just use that one. Alright, now I can't see where that hooks back in again, because of course I can't. Did that actually go? Oh, it goes under there. Right, okay. I've got to hold this in place while I do this back up so that it doesn't fall off. Right, now get this one back in place. Like that. I'll do that back up. Right, that's got that. Now, reconnect the negative post. That's fine. Now, oh. Yeah, see that one, it's stayed stuck on, I can't get it off. Right, we need a screwdriver. Oh, no we don't, we use a spanner. Bit of brute force in advance works wonders. Right, now we pop that on there. Might need to loosen that a touch. That's it, get on there. And then tying it back up. Don't let the ratchet hit the bodywork. Right, that should be it. Now the question is, will it start? What could possibly go wrong? Right, as a wise man said, bring the thunder. Right, there we go. Probably gonna have to reset the clock now, but never mind. I don't know what kind of eldritch science that's involving, but we'll figure that out when we get to it. But there you go, quick and easy job. Change the battery on the car. Yeah, just nothing really. Hopefully you enjoyed this little foray into the world of car mechanics. This is what I actually used to do for a living years ago. I'd like to take a moment and thank my top tier patrons, Amy and the anonymous Tosh, and all of my wonderful channel members. Thank you all for your support. And yeah, I know this isn't normally what we do, but like I said, I video what I do. So yes, for more nonsense like this, do stay tuned. See you on the next one. Cheers. Bye. Oh, works.
It lives.
Yep. You happy now? I fixed it.
Yeah.
Well, it's like I say, don't want it being unreliable, because I'd never trust it myself if it was me, but still. Yeah, could have done the whole thing with a 10mm spanner, but there you go. What's the clock doing?
Messing around.
Huh?
Messing around.
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me.